Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm here at Murdoch filming this trains for you guys. That was the EMU 75 and 110 that left platform number 2 for Mandurah. Next train will be a Coburn Central service in 5 minutes. Now the reason, I just want to tell you, the reason why I want to film this train's here at Murdoch is because, as you can see, that's pretty straight, and behind me, some pretty straight track. So this calls for 130 km/h trains. So you can catch buses here to Murdoch University and the TAFE. And as you can see, we have Fiona Stanley Hospital just there. And cranes. So, I'll catch you when the next train comes. Not even 2 minutes later, Coburn Central service arriving and Perth service arriving. EMU 62 leading. EMU 65 trailing. This train's next stop will be Coburn Central, and Coburn Central only. Perth service now departing platform number 1, and Coburn Central service departing platform 2. You know the EMU numbers for the Coburn Central train, but you don't know it for the Perth train, so I'll get the EMU numbers. Front 3 cars, EMU 107, rear 3 cars, EMU 105. Next train, 6 minutes, and the next train on platform number 2. It's very noise congested, I'm sorry. I can't see. I'll tell you later. Mandurah service is in 4 minutes. Now arriving on the platform 2, we have a Mandurah service. Front 3 cars, EMU 114, sorry. I'm really sorry for the noise congestion. It is just past 9 o'clock in the morning. I had to catch a very early train to get here. EMU 114 and its friend about to depart platform number 2 for Mandurah service, and the Perth train I could see just down the track. Front 3 cars, EMU 114, rear 3 cars, EMU 86. Next train is a Coburn Central service in 4 minutes. Now arriving on the platform number 1, we have a Perth service, front 3 cars, EMU 103. Front 3 cars, EMU 103, rear 3 cars, EMU 52. EMU 104 and 52 departing platform number 1 for a Perth service. The train will stop at Bull Creek, Canning Bridge, Elizabeth Quay and Perth, and then we'll proceed on to the Joondalup line. Next Perth train, I believe, is in 10 minutes. Now about to pass platform number 1. We have the first in this train. It is yellow signal, so I don't expect it to be fast. Stand back so you can get some platform action. Front 3 cars, EMU 106. And the rear 3 cars, EMU 115. Next train does not stop. Now arriving on platform 2, we have a Coburn Central service, EMU 92 leading. Coburn Central W service, W is the stopping pattern. And now departing platform 2, this train will stop at Coburn Central only. If you guys didn't know, from Boxing Day, December 26th to January 14th, there's going to be a 20-day half-line shutdown for the Mandurah line, which means no services between Elizabeth Quay, Perth and Auburn Grove. So that was the EMU 62 and 68. Next train is a Mandurah service in 7 minutes. Now about to pass, we have a NIS train. I No, sorry, it's a Perth train. Okay, sorry, I got a bit excited there. It's a Perth train. Sorry. Yeah, because the indicator didn't flash when it was close, so I thought it was a NIS train. But anyways, yeah, I got very adrenaline rush there. EMU 58 is leading. And the EMU 96 is trailing. If this is correct, I think the Mandurah line is the busiest line on the whole Transperth network. Mainly because of station population, I believe. There's also EMU's 122 and its friend for a Mandurah service behind me. I don't know which one's going to depart first. Mandurah service EMUs is EMU 122 and 55 for that one departing. And EMU 57 and 96, I believe, departing platform number 1 for a Perth service. Next train after this, I believe, will not stop, I hope. Whilst I'm getting literally cooked in the sun, we have the second and I believe last NIS train about to pass. EMU 77 is leading. And EMU 125 trailing. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye bye, everybody. Okay, I'm gonna stitch these videos together. Third non-service train about to pass. This is unexpected, as on the Joondalup line they only have 3 that pass. This is quite an unexpected sight. This is not a Perth train. I recall this is not a Perth train. But surprisingly, it's here. EMU 65 leading. And EMU 62 trailing. I hope I don't have to make another video stitches together, but for the real, I hope. End of the video.